Hello and welcome to the channel. On today's episode, I will show you how to remove and replace the primer bulb in the air filter's base on older model Briggs and Stratton engines. The tools and parts you will need for this project are a flat head screwdriver, the replacement primer bulb, and a large socket to help aid in installing the new primer bulb. I'll start with removing the old primer bulb from the air filter's base. There are locking tabs on the opposite sides of the retainer ring. The primer bulb kit part number is 120-174. The new primer bulb comes with a new retainer ring. The retainer ring fits over the primer bulb like so. I am lining the lip of the primer bulb evenly with the bottom edge of the retainer ring, because the primer bulb's lip is too thick to go under the retainer ring. I use the socket to push the retainer ring into the base to simultaneously lock both tabs. Sometimes this method doesn't work. Carefully use the screwdriver to push the retainer ring and lock the tabs into the base. The primer bulb install is complete. See you on the next episode.